This secret will pump Terra Luna Classic to $1. The price of Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, dropped from 0.000316 cents on October 10th to 0.000254 cents as a result of the recent Bitcoin meltdown. But in this video, we're going to share a secret. Well, not a secret anymore, that will pump the price of Luna Classic to $1. So make sure you stick around till the end. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all of the latest content around crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video, and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note though, we will never ask for your number or any personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of these scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Quick overview of Luna Classic. Terra is an open source blockchain convention that supports a distinctive ecosystem of dApps and high-level innovation tools. By including a proof-of-stake agreement component, Terra's blockchain paves the path for the cutting-edge DeFi experience. Additionally, Terra serves as an installment platform for an algorithmic stablecoin designed to track the value of a fiat government-backed currency. Terraform Labs produced Terra back in 2018. This South Korean lab was founded by Kwon and Daniel Shin to fuse Bitcoin, BTC, and government-issued money's greatest features into a price-stable Bitcoin. Current worth. Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, is currently trading at 0.000273 cents, and there's a good possibility that we might see another breakout to the possible gain if enough collection can take place over the 0.000241 cent support trendline. The opposing trendline of a bullish inversion pattern, known as a falling wedge, which LUNC is currently trading, represents a significant degree of resistance at the moment. Technical analysis of LUNC. LUNC must overcome the 0.000282 cents resistance trendline with supporting volume to continue to experience possible gains, which can push the price back up to the next swing high, which is 0.000302 cents, and then back to 0.000316 cents. The cost of Terra Luna Classic has not yet broken the spirit of the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour and daily time frame, which is a negative factor. As a result of the lack of trading volume, it may be assured that the bull's momentum is waning, and that the current slump will continue. The lengthy wick on top of the candle's body suggests a lot of selling pressure, and LUNC runs the risk of printing a second conservative red flame on the cost diagrams. It is still possible that we may find one more swing down and out of the collapsing wedge's support trendline at 0.000249 cents before perhaps experiencing another reason for the potential rise. I predict that Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, will likely return between 0.000378 cents and 0.000592 cents in the first quarter of 2023. In October, November, and December, as verified evidence would suggest, effectively serve as months of strength. This might surely set up the Terra Luna Classic for one more shot at the possible gain. With 49% of the whole transaction occurring on Binance, the focused trade on Binance is favorably in the spotlight in terms of market share and trading volume. Currently, over 16.9 billion LUNC tokens have been utilized by Binance as a whole. This is because Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ Binance, chief of Binance, has sworn to help the company reduce the surplus supply of LUNC tokens so that the brokers present are not in trouble. When the news was officially announced on September 26th, the price of LUNC skyrocketed by 80.56%, going from 0.000181 cents to 0.000329 cents. If Binance continues to consume Luna Classic tokens at the current rate, LUNC may retest for 0.00037 cents price area. In the unlikely event that Terra Luna Classic breaks out of the falling wedge pattern, we may anticipate a significant bullish inversion and a subsequent upturn in Terra Luna Classic. The 0.0003 cents must be a mental border as well as areas of strength for the adversary. To decrease the risk, traders intending to get in now can try selling in tranches at that particular level, or thinking about getting rid of their cash and keeping the remainder as benefits. Classic elective decision made by Terra Luna. IMPT token. Overall, Terra Luna Classic has performed wonderfully throughout the crypto downturn market, but it may take some time and multiple convention changes to make the price of LUNC drop by zero, since the price has already increased by more than 1,500% since June of 2020. The prospective gain is quite constrained, especially during a bad market in cryptocurrencies. Consider the new IMPT token if you're a reputable investor looking for potential bigger and faster profits during the current bad markets in cryptocurrencies. This is another carbon-neutral digital currency that aims to lessen the global carbon footprint by creating carbon credits on the blockchain. This collaborates with socially responsible businesses, initiatives, and individuals to reduce their carbon footprint and fight global warming. Early investors will benefit from a cheaper passage or unit cost, which minimizes the gamble and improves possible gain potential when the token goes into the public deal 1 year from now. The IMPT token is now in pre-sale and has bought an astounding $4,400,000, up in a little more than 11 days. If you found this video informative and enjoyed the content, then please come back for more. Make sure to watch more of our informational videos on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.